morning, Rebecca here, and today I'm so excited to share this garden netting. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. And get it on this pineapple. I really want to help the pineapple grow and not to have all of the birds or all of the other critters that I do get off of my pond right behind me. So this is going to be very helpful. So thankful that the seller had reached out and asked me to give my honest opinion.
This mesh netting is great. You can use it for many different things: raised garden beds, gardens, orchards, just outdoors and covering anything. It does come in a 4-pack, and just check the size that you need because there's various sizes available. This mesh bag is lightweight and breathable, and you could use it for many years. It is made of a nylon material and is very easy to put on the plant. The stitching where the drawstring is seems very durable and long-lasting. The drawstring pole is made of a plastic material. Let's get it on the plant. This mesh bag will provide a certain degree of shade. It was so easy to put on. I just put it around my plant where I wanted it. Made sure that the drawstring part is underneath. Just flip it down, and then you're going to go and pull the drawstring. Very simple. These bags are great. They're going to keep all the unwanted critters from getting to my pineapple. All in all, this is a great mesh bag, and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.